Hey, hi friends. In today's video, we will learn more about setting up YouTube merchandise store, what it is about, and how you go about it. Right? So, you might have come across some channels on YouTube wherein you can see they have set up a store. Now, first is the affiliate marketing, which we have seen in another video wherein you can shop via affiliate partners and earn a commission. But the second one is you can set up your own merchandise store, that is, you can have your own branded merchandise which you can sell on YouTube channel. This becomes an additional revenue stream without related to any views of your YouTube channel content. Now, how do we go about it and what is the eligibility? Now, this is my other channel where I have not set up the store yet, but when you go on earn, you click on shopping, you can see this option set up a store on YouTube. Now the requirement eligibility criteria for this is you should have minimum 10,000 subscribers. That is when this option becomes enabled for you, right? So when this appears, you can click on setup and you can see these are the current partners, at least in India, wherein you can tie up and set up an online store, right? So fourth wall is a commerce platform for online stores. Shopline, Shopify is a very well known one. Spreadshop is a easy to use merchandise platform for on demand printing, right? Spring is again a similar one. T Public and Wix, wherein you can create websites, right? Now some of these have some additional perks wherein if you have more than 50k subs, you get free design perks as well. And if you have 100k plus subs, you get free design perks for Spring. So while we can explore all of them, but for beginners purpose, we'll select one and go about how it appears. So when you go to any of these, right? So let's say I go to Spreadshop, I just have to accept. And so you can see it's taken to one of the partners, and you just have to do the initial steps. Now you can choose. So I think for them India is not somewhere which is a part of the standard currency and settings. So let's go ahead for now with this. But the idea is once you do all this basic setup, right? So that's a quick setup over here. Just accept the terms and conditions and log in via YouTube. Grant the permissions. So it's now my channel is appearing over here, which is a travel based work channel on YouTube. Now you can see over here, I can start my designs, set up my shop, create. So this is a active guided tool, and it will take you how I can upload my designs if I have, or they will have some of their own AI tools basis which you can create design. So you can see over here, it can create anything as per your requirement. So this is yet to go live, but this kind of a shop, the way it will appear with my travel channel details, and whatever I create, it will be linked, and those you can link in your respective. So you can see over here YouTube merchandise, everything. So if anything I am wearing or using in my videos, I can sell as merchandise or create certain brand specific uh, advanced merchandise for my viewers. You can do some marketing around it via different. So all of the partners over here, you will have this price and promos and all the settings, and you can create your shop and sell your merchandise just like we see over here, and this becomes an additional stream of revenue for you, right? But the key over here is being eligible, which is minimum 10,000 subscribers, and this should be available in your country, right? So I will share the official YouTube link wherein you can go through the terms and conditions for this. But I hope this was useful. If you have any queries, drop a comment and I will get back to you with the answers for it. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe YouTube with Saave.